Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about the Bitcoin, crypto, altcoins, long-term, short-term. So are we out of the woods yet? Are we going to see more downside to come? Yesterday we had a great CPI which came in line with expectations. So what are we going to go and expect from Bitcoin? Of course guys, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. We post one video about crypto trading every single day. So yesterday I said specifically, guys, in my VIP group, in my Discord group, you can show you over here. Sorry, this is the results, of course, we placed yesterday. I was saying in the VIP group in the Bitcoin analysis, I can show you exactly what I believe it is going to happen. This current sell-off seemed really dodgy. Historically, a sell-off of CPI in anticipation has always been followed by pump afterwards. Plus, the fixed income treasury yield, the dollar are not going up, suggesting the whales are not rotating money into safe assets. Basically, I kind of like understood that we should have seen a rebound post CPI, and this what has happened. And of course, guys, our VIP members, we made very good results. We also gave a call on Solana yesterday. You can see everything documented over here. I also went and bought spot buy Tau long 5,000 US dollars. I'm up around 8-9% right now. So guys, again, the VIP group, we are nailing every single entry. If you want to join and be part of the best community of crypto trading in the world, guys, you can come, and there is a link in the description. Over here, little trailer, also our trading results since March 2024. You can just scroll here, 10 minutes of result to show you our transparency. And also, if you're interested in be mentored by myself and do like a proper free mentorship, guys, what you can do, you can go on my website, watch a free masterclass over here where I'm going to show you how you can make 20+% per month in under 4 hours per week utilizing my strategy, which I'm going to probably change the name to $3 million strategy very, very soon. But watching now, guys, it's great. It's going to show you why my strategy is actually superior to anything else. If you want to be mentored by me, guys, watch the free training. You will not regret it. But now let's go back and talk about BTC, what's happening right now. So the question is, yesterday we were saying that we would have had to see Bitcoin to go and rebound back to this area. We can see that right now on the daily chart, we had a beautiful rebound. But now I'm telling you that I think that we could be seeing, as I always say, maybe one last push to the upside. And then we should be seeing like a more meaningful correction. I think that Bitcoin has probably room to go up to 105, 110,000, and then I think we should be seeing more of a significant correction, maybe something like that, maybe going up to here until the 20th of December, trap everybody in, and then have more meaningful correction down to maybe 85 to 88,000, and then have another impulse to the upside. What I'm actually still a little bit, I would say, I'm not going to say worried, but I'm taking this and I'm looking at this right now, is the fact that BTC, yeah, well, it pumped well. That we broke this diagonal support resistance from here, looks very, very good. But at the same time, I want to show you from here. At the same time, there is a risk that what could be happening right now could be something like this. Maybe we're going to go up to this area, then have another push to the downside, and then up again. So I guess, we're going to have two potential scenarios right now. I still believe we are into a probably like a parallel channel, that we are pretty much like this. Let me just make it a little bit better. So we are in a parallel channel that if it's going to play out, should bring us maybe to 107, $108,000. But to be honest, it looks like the BTC is getting tired. You can see the stochastic RSI crossing almost down. Also RSI, traditional RSI, potentially going maybe up to this area over here, around in the overbought area. We can even go on the daily chart as well. The daily chart, you can see there is a crossover with the MACD. What we could be seeing, maybe could be a push up to this area, form a proper bearish divergence on the RSI from here, having the stochastic around this area, having the MACD maybe up to this area, and then it's gonna really be not good, I would say, for Bitcoin. So again, once you're gonna go to 105, 110, I will start to be a little bit careful with that. So That's what I can think, with the BTC right now. But the question everybody's asking right now, what is going to be happening now with all season, altcoins, Bitcoin, and all that? Today, we're going to have an important event similar to the CPI of yesterday, which is the PPI, Producer Price Index. Again, very similar to CPI, lower Producer Price Index. It means the Fed is going to cut interest rates. Initial jobless claims as well. If you're going to see lots of jobless claims, it means that the Fed has to cut. So it's going to be very good for the market. So today could be also like another catalyst why we could be seeing maybe like a weekend rally, or we're going to see more of a pullback. And of course, guys, the other question is, what's happening right now with our season, with the altcoins? Are they going to recover? I want to show you this. So right now it looks like the BTC market cap dominance, right, which in general shows you how much money is into Bitcoin compared to the other altcoins. You can see that we touched this level over here, as I was highlighting over here in this blue box, and then we had a very nasty rejection from here. So basically what it means that if this Bitcoin dominance is going to continue to go down this way, it's going to go down to 50%, for example, then we should be seeing altcoins to go completely crazy. So in all honesty, I think there is still a little bit of space for this ABC corrective wave to go a little bit higher from here, maybe to go up to this area. Okay, so maybe we might not be done with this correction, and then we should be seeing like this big down to the downside. So what is making me a little bit, I'm not gonna say concerned, but a little bit doubtful about this current rebound we saw yesterday is the fact that some coins, for example, Solana, you can see that the structure is actually very nice. Like it's forming almost like a bull flag, but at the same time, you can see that we are still not out of the woods yet. Like it's basically forming like a downward channel from here. And in order to be very very bullish, what we want to see today, hopefully, like the data is going to come good, it would be Solana to really be able to close above this area over here. Once this is going to happen, we can maybe see something like this, then I could be seeing continuation to go to the upside all season, everybody making lots of money. But at the moment, I will be a little bit careful with that. Also, you can see, for example, the total free as well, total free market cap. We can see and break it down a little bit. You can see that right now, we were pumping from here with the total free market cap. And right now, still, we're not out of the wood yet. Like if you draw like a parallel line like this, you can see that it's still had a rebound from this area, and now it's just trying to retest this area over here. So what we want to see today is going to be a clear closure up to this area over here, to then to see more continuation to the upside. Of course, it looks good, right? But at the same time, sometimes with this economical data, whales can really manipulate the price, and they can do whatever they want. Also, for example, another thing which is making me a little bit doubtful as well is the fact that the DXY that's is still very very strong. Yesterday with the as per expectation CPI, I would have really liked to see this DXY to go to the downside, which of course if that happens, then it's going to push the price of risk assets higher. But DXY is still really really powerful. So I wasn't really happy to see this, and I would like to see more continuation to the downside to really confirm that we can move higher with crypto and with Bitcoin as well. And for example, another one I want to show you as well, like other altcoins, like for example Tau, guys. Tau, I gave yesterday the entry point was around 575, so we made good money as always. And right now, although we had a nice rebound, but still we are pretty much trying to reclimb back up to this area. So this one could be really a fake out, right? Sometimes what can happen is the market makers, they push the price down below the 200 moving average. They do like a fake out, and then they just resume business as usual. That could be happening. But right now, as I said before, we need to be really careful of closing Tau above this area over here, because otherwise what can happen is like if we go up to here, we get a nasty rejection, and then we continue to go to the downside. Well, either way, if this is going to happen, guys, I'm going to allocate so much money to altcoins. But if it's going to go up from here, guys, I'm already invested, so I'm going to just be making more money. But that's what I can see right now. And the last one I want to show you guys, very important as well, it's Ethereum as well. Ethereum, as I was saying before, we had a drop to the downside. Basically, we broke this multi-weeks, multi-months diagonal trend line, and you can see that right now we basically went up like that, we went down, and now we're just basically closing again above this area over here. in my opinion, Ethereum looks amazing. Like, really looks very, very good. And what I could be expecting, if Bitcoin is gonna go maybe to 110, and then it probably is gonna go around 90, 95, 85 to really fluctuate around that area, and he's gonna lose his dominance, then I could be seeing Ethereum to be starting its movement to the upside. We can even see from here. You can see that that's like, it really looks like a textbook retest from here. So I really would like to see what's going to be happening with Ethereum. But looking at right now, guys, I think that's the next move could be. I'm not going to say easily, right? There's nothing easy, but if you go from here and then you bring this one over here, basically we could be seeing that we could be going as high as maybe $5,300, $5,200 for ETH in a near future. So I guess we have to see what's going to be happening from here. Then also one chart I want to show you as well is the ETH BTC. We can see what's going on, from here as well. We can still, like, we still haven't broken down from this area, which I think it should be happening soon. But once this chart over here, once we're going to see this one to go around here, then is when Ethereum is going to go crazy. It's going to go parabolic, maybe up to $6,000, $7,000. But right now, guys, we're just into a potential, channel that you can see over here, like a normal downward channel. And as long as we're going to stay here, we're going to keep doing this. I don't see Ethereum to go and explode to the upside. But right now, it looks like things are getting ready for an explosive rally for Ethereum, all season, and all that. So basically, guys, to summarize the whole thing again, Bitcoin looks good. Okay, so today I want to see what will happen with the PPI, if we're going to see, but it looks good, but I think it's ready for a correction. It's ready for a correction, maybe another push up to here, make everybody super euphoric, and then something like that. And I want to see when this happens. I want to see all the money to be transferred from here into altcoins. So to have the dominance to go down to 50%, lost my chart of the Bitcoin dominance, down to 50%, which all the money is going to be taken from here into altcoins. And then I want to see the Bitcoin dominance to go lower as well. And then once you're going to see it, total free market cap, I'm going to go on the weekly to show you a little bit better. Total free market cap, guys, is going to go up to here, maybe to 1.5, 1.6. I think for me, it's going to be the time for me to get out from the markets for a while. And then, of course, wait for a correction, rebuy the correction, and then continue with that. But if you want to, guys, analyze like a pro, if you want to really have results like we do in our VIP group, you can join the VIP group, or also watch our free training, guys. Only one place, one seat left from my exclusive mentorship program, one-on-one coaching with me, 10 sessions, guys, to transform you from a newbie to a pro trader. Get the opportunity, because very soon we're going to probably double the price of our mentorship. So get in while you can. Otherwise, I wish you a wonderful day, and I'm going to see you soon.